up, y'all? It's your boy T, bro. Anyhow, so we're gonna do some new projects going on right now. I got my Mustang, you know, just 5.0 sitting here. But what's going on right now is, if you look on this cylinder block, see how the key is on? The ignition is on, but there's like a short in it. So if I go to the right a little bit more, or go back, then the heater and all that stuff works. So there's a short, so I'm gonna change this ignition cylinder right here today, and hopefully this will fix it. And also you can turn it without the key now. Let's see, it's acting up, but I can turn it and start the car without even having a key in there. So I got a new one. I'm gonna replace that. That's what we're doing today. Okay, so here we go. So now it's just, you just turn it. So this is the first, this is a cold start. Now, as you can see right now, it's kind of sunny out here, but no key in here, it just turns right over. Then if the fan just cut on now, so there's like a short, we're gonna change that. See, and then this also plays with the turning signal. So if I turn on the turning signal, now it's blinking up there at the top. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but if you go like this, it goes off. So that's how I discovered this. I went to hit on my signals. Let's go on the right one. There she goes now, and there goes the fan. So I'm gonna change this cylinder lock out. Hopefully it's a bad electrical connection, and we'll go from there. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna obviously unhook the battery. I'll be playing with this, and pretty sure you just need a Phillips screwdriver under here. It's already loose. Slide it out. There. I don't know if you can see right now, so got it out, open it up. So next, there's this pin right here. We gotta pop this guy out next. Let's see. So we gotta just push this in. See, I see it moving. Oh, there it is. Ah, there we go. So yeah, push the pin, as you see. Slid it right out. Should be able to remove this other bottom trim piece here. Just take off this last one down here. This is the exact same size, 9/32. All right, so now there's that one. All those 4 screws. So now let's take this off. There she goes. That's it right there, so it's right there. So I'm just gonna unhook it. Should be able to just pop in a new one and put everything back together. All right, there we go. So I just had to pry it out, but there she goes, she out. So this is actually the new one I got from late model restoration. It looks just like the old one. So all we wanna do is just feed it through, plug it back in. All right, so I got it back in, but this might be part of the problem right now, or a different problem, but I just taped it up. We're gonna finish putting back in this Wilson lock. So we got the new one here. Let's see where this is, lock. So this has to go like this because the orientation, that's lock. So we turn it to on like this. As she goes in, there's a little spot that's covered up right there. Oh, put him in, bam. She's in, but did the pin come out? I didn't see the pin. So she in. Now I think to lock it in place, you just want to turn it back and then hit this. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Oh, so this is working great. So yeah, all we did was turn it back. The pin is out, and we hit the little key release, and she all the way back. That's all the way, boom, boom. Yeah, and she goes start. She's gonna start. This guy, key comes right out. So she's locked into place. I'll hook this battery back up. Make sure nothing blowing up over here. Okay, hook this battery back up. We're going to get this key, stick it in. Let's see how she's working. Get this key, stick it in. Oh, ignition came on. It sounds like she wanna work. Ignition came on. Let me get in the driver's seat so I can push this clutch. There she is. Just gotta fix this here next, so y'all stay tuned. That's what's coming. That's all for today. It's your boy T-Bro. I'll be having more maybe Foxbody videos showing up, but I guess next video is going to be fixing this ignition switch, whatever it is. All right, stay tuned.